Seeing black bars on the top, bottom, or sides of your YouTube TV screen can be confusing, but it usually isn't a problem with the app. Black bars appear when the video's aspect ratio doesn't match your TV. Here's how to fix or reduce them. Start by checking your TV's picture or aspect ratio settings. On your smart TV remote, press Settings or Menu, then look for options like Aspect Ratio, Picture Size, Zoom, Screen Fit. Choose 16:9, Original, Just Scan, or Fit to Screen. Avoid Zoom, Wide, or Stretch, which distort the picture. Next, adjust your streaming device's display settings. On Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast, go to Settings, Display or Resolution, and make sure it matches your TV, usually 1080p or 4K. If only certain programs show black bars, that's normal. Older shows and some movies use formats like 4:3 or Cinematic 21:9, which naturally create black bars on modern screens. You cannot remove those bars without distorting the video. If bars appear suddenly on all channels, restart your TV and streaming device, then relaunch YouTube TV. Finally, update your TV and YouTube TV app to ensure full compatibility. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.